It's a 2018 Ford Escape. Get away every time you get into this Escape. Its amazing ability and maximum cargo configurability makes every trip the perfect journey. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Automatic transmission, dual zone climate control, streaming audio, front heated bucket seats, wireless phone connectivity, AM/FM satellite radio, active grille shutters, selective service internet access, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Car and Driver notes, perhaps best of all, the latest Sync 3 infotainment system, which debuted in 2016, offers a vastly more sensible, intuitive, and quick-reacting interface, including a pinch-to-zoom map feature on the 8-inch touchscreen and improved voice recognition. Ford, where tradition meets innovation. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Flood Ford, we want to be the best dealer in Southern New England. Swing by and see us today at one of our convenient locations.